Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And today I want to talk to you about my new partnership with a company called Retrieve. What Retrieve has done for me is they've taken some of my YouTube videos and kind of mixed them around and formatted them into a really awesome interactive guide. This interactive guide is going to feature so many different ways for you to access information within my existing content. The guide will have almost like a table of contents for you where you can skip and jump to different points in the video to reference information that you might need. For example, if you guys have ever wondered how much epoxy I've used and when, that is a question that you can plug into the guide and it will take you directly to the point in one of my videos where I talk about epoxy amounts or whatever your question may be, okay? And what we've done is we've created this guide for some of my beginner videos. So I've taken about 5 of my beginner YouTube videos for tumblers and we've compiled them into this interactive guide with Retrieve. Okay, so if you're somebody who's just starting out making tumblers, this is a fantastic one-stop shop guide that's going to tell you everything that you need to get started. And even for those of you who might have been making tumblers for a while, this is a great point of reference for you. The guide will also include a PDF list of everything that you need to get started. It will also feature 2 different languages that you can change my voice into. So if you wanted to change my voice to Spanish or French, that's available within the guide as well. What we wanted to do was take my content and make it more accessible for everybody. If you've ever been watching one of my videos and you want to just find this one part in my video and you have like fast forwarded to like seconds and seconds and seconds just to find one answer to one of your questions, no longer will you have to do this with my Retrieve guide, at least with the beginner videos for now. We tested this product in my Patreon group to see what kind of feedback we can get and what kind of changes we could make to the guide. And I have gotten amazing feedback from my Patreon members. Everybody has said that this is a great value. They absolutely loved all the information that was included. And you guys, again, I can't stress enough that this is a guide made of my existing videos broken down in a way that makes more sense with information easier to find. Imagine having a Google search to find points of reference in any one of my videos. That's exactly what this has done. All right, and so here's a quick demo of us going through the guide. You'll notice when you open it here, you're gonna see all of the main chapters of the guide and basically like the main video points. And then underneath each kind of chapter will be like sub-chapters and points of reference. So for instance, like when we're talking about all the products that you need to get started, it'll go into the prep products that you need, then it goes into personal protection equipment, cup turners, tools, epoxy, etc. So if you needed to jump around to different points of the video, you can easily access where in that video you need to go. Down here is where you can change the language and you can see how you can easily open up the written transcripts, change the content or the captions to whatever language or style you would like, okay? So that is super cool. All right, and you'll also notice that there is an option where you can do voice command for your questions, or you can type in your questions or keywords to jump to certain parts of the video. You'll find in that tutorial kind of table of content list to the side. At the very bottom is where you'll find your PDF for your product guide and your list of things that you need to get started. There's also a little free file down there. It's my Empowered Women file that you can use for free with commercial use. Okay, so tons of features, very easy to use. One of the best points of feedback that I got from my Patreon group when they demoed this product was just how easy it was to use, no matter your skill level, no matter like how good you are with computers or anything like that. All the information is very easy to jump through and access. And so that was really important to me when we were compiling this guide, is I wanted it very easy for anybody to look through, anybody's kind of learning style and accessibility. You're absolutely going to love how this is laid out. All right, you guys, so that concludes my video about these retrieve guides. If you feel like this would be a valuable resource for you in your craft room, whether you're just starting to make tumblers, or maybe you've been doing it for a little while, you can find a link for the guide down below in the description box. Again, it's just $10, and that's a one-time fee that gets you lifetime access to the guide. And of course, all of our Patreon members enjoy free access to the guides as part of their benefits with the Flynn Sisters Exclusives program. So that's definitely enough chit chat for me. I'll see you guys again soon. And a big thank you to all of our Flynn Sisters exclusive members. Thank you for your pledge. Your support means the world to our channel. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.